We will begin with flipping the car upside down to do the underside assembly. Remove the nuts off of the front axle. Select the tires with no motor head attachment and composed of EVA rubber, slide onto the front axle and secure with a washer and nut. Remove the nut from the back axle. The back axle is free spinning, so it helps to loosen both sides at the same time. Slide the rear wheels on, ensure that the motor head on wheel locks into place with the wheel motor. Since the rear wheel is free spinning, tightening both sides at the same time. Flip the car over. Insert the wheel covers. Align the rivets and lock into place. Connect the wire from the steering wheel to the wire coming out of the steering column. Push down to lock into place. Line up the rear spoiler with the back of the car and pop into place. Align the front windshield and pop into place. Connect the red wires located under the seat to activate the battery. Align the seat with the car body and slide into place. Fully connect the seat using the screws. Insert the side mirrors and pop into place. Enjoy your new 24-volt drifting Lamborghini.